Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Been having some fun today. I'm gonna do one more. Ooh, I got some paint. Must have flung it off of something here. I'll get rid of that quick. I already have my white base down. It's my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, thinned out. Mixed about 1/3 paint, 2/3 Floetrol. I need to fill my torch. There we go. Get rid of those air bubbles. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. As you can see, I have a little bit of a mess around it. That's all right. I can make more of a mess. What I want to use on this one is, this is a Master's Touch Violet. Put a nice puddle of that violet down. Oh, it looks like it has a little bit of white in it. It's okay, I don't mind. And this is a DecoArt Extreme Sheen Pink Tourmaline. It's very pretty. Some of that down here with it. It's a nice combination. And then this is also an Extreme Sheen in Pearl. Put a little bit of that in there. Do a little bit of a flood. Don't have a lot of white paint mixed up. Enough to do this though. Give that a quick torch. Oh, wow. Got a little pearl colored pearly cells coming up. Oh, wow. So pretty. I've been having so much fun with these combinations. The Extreme Sheen paints just do such a great effect with the others. I'm going to blow this out right here. It looks kind of stiff. Not exactly what I wanted. Let's see if I can get it with the blow dryer here. That's more natural. That's better. Cells starting to come up. Oh yeah. Very, very pretty. See some air bubbles. Loving it. I love the way the lacing comes out in the little cells. They're absolutely beautiful. Coming down the side so pretty. See if I can get some white over here and touch up this corner. Right here. Might be able to drag some of that purple down. Very nice, very nice. I can pick it up and give you a close-up. Get some little cells developing out there in the end. here. Gorgeous, gorgeous lacing. It's beautiful. I'm loving it. Loving it. Alright guys, I know that was a quick short one, but that's okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. And thanks for visiting with me. Bye.